In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hyperlink in Slack, making your messages more interactive and efficient with clickable links. Whether you're sharing important resources or just want to make your text look a little cleaner, this is a useful skill to have in your Slack toolkit. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to head over to slack.com and open up your workspace. This might be on your browser or your Slack app, wherever you feel most comfortable. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted with your familiar channels on the left-hand side. Now, find and click on the channel where you'd like to send your hyperlink. This could be a team channel, a direct message, or any other area you're engaged in. Once you're in the appropriate channel, think about the phrase or word you want to make clickable. Remember, keeping your link text concise and relevant helps maintain a professional and easy-to-read message. Go ahead and type this word or phrase in the message box. With your word or phrase in place, it's time to turn it into a hyperlink. Highlight the phrase or word using your mouse or trackpad. Now, here comes a swift keyboard shortcut that makes hyperlinking simple. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus U. If you're using a Mac, it might be helpful to know that the equivalent keys are CMD plus Shift plus U. This will open up a small dialog box where you can enter your URL. Next, copy the link that you want to include. You might have it stored in a document, email, or your browser. Simply highlight that URL, right-click, and select Copy, or use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl plus C or CMD plus C on a Mac. Now, head back to the Slack message where we left off. In the dialog box that appeared earlier, paste your URL. You can do this by right-clicking and selecting Paste, or using the shortcut Ctrl plus V, CMD plus V for Mac users. Double-check that the link is correct and that it directs to the intended web page. Once your URL is in place, click on the Save button to apply the hyperlink to your phrase or word. You should now see your text underlined or in a different color, indicating it's successfully hyperlinked. And there you have it. Your text is now a clickable link. This process not only makes your Slack messages look professional, but also provides easy access to further information for your team members or collaborators. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and that you're able to incorporate these hyperlinks into your daily Slack communications. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Happy linking!